Hey, it's your friend Kurt here. Let's read from a 100-year-old bird book while we relax for the evening. Bonaparte Gull. In summer, tip and outer web of outer primaries black. Inner web and shaft white with a black bill. The head and neck are gray, while in winter the head is white with gray spots back of the eyes. Young birds have the back mixed with brownish and the tail with a band of black near the tip. They are rarely found in the U.S. with the black hood. Sabine Gull. A handsome bird having the slaty hood bordered behind with a black ring. The primary is black, white-tipped, and the tail slightly forked. In winter, the head and throat are white with the back of the neck dusky. Caspian Tern. The largest and most beautiful of the tern family. The bill is large, heavy, and bright red. The crest which with the species is adorned is black. The mantle is pearl color and the breast is white. Winter birds have the crown mixed with white and the young are blotched with blackish in the wings and tail. They sometimes nest in large colonies, and then again only a few pair will be found on an island. Their eggs vary from brown to greenish buff.